Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to get this look using the Colourpop KathleenLights Dream Street palette, and I'm just doing my brows like I normally do with my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and then I'm setting them with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. And then moving on to my eyes, I'm taking the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and that's translucent, and I'm going to set the primer. Going into my Dream Street palette, I'm taking the shade Magical, and I'm using that as my transition shade, and then I'm going to take the Makeup Geek single shadow in the shade Peach Smoothie and build up that transition color. Then to add a little bit of brown to the look, I'm going to take the shade Shooting Star and I'm going to build up the color. And then on my lid, I'm going to take the shade Sweet Dreams and I'm going to wet my brush and apply that all over my lid. And then I'm going to blend it out and make sure that there are no harsh lines. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and I'm applying that to my top lashes. And I'm also going to go in with the Maybelline Lash Discovery as well. And then I'm just trying to comb through it with a little spoolie. Then going in with my NYX Angel Veil, I'm applying that all over my face and letting it sink into my skin. And for foundation, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, the new one that everybody's raving about, and I'm applying that to my face. And then I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm blending that out with the same brush. To set my under eye, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to set my face with it as well. Then for bronzer, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just blending and adding some color to my cheekbones. And then I'm going in and contouring with my Wet n Wild, and the palette, the duo is in the shade Dulce de Leche. And then I'm taking the Burt's Bees blush in the shade Toasted Cinnamon and applying that to my cheeks with a stippling brush. Then going back into my Dream Street palette, I'm mixing the shades Magical and Shooting Star and applying that to my lower lash line, and I'm going to smudge it out with a smudge brush. And then after I do that, I'll highlight my brow bone as well with the shade in the palette, which names escapes me at the moment. But then I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Lash Discovery and applying that to my bottom lashes. And then I'm taking my L'Oreal Color Riche Balm and applying that to my lips. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This is the final look. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what other looks you want to see me do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!